Hello and welcome to the TaxTron desktop tutorial video series. In this video I will be going over how to remove watermarks from PDFs. To begin the process, make sure you have filled out the details for your company and client. Once that's done, navigate to the Form Manager and in the search bar type in e-file. Among the displayed forms, choose the one labeled e-file status. By selecting this form, you will open up a new form with the same name. Under the tax return heading, find where it says you have indicated that this return has been submitted to the CRA and make sure the box beside this is unchecked. To verify that the watermark does not print on the document, navigate to the Print Preview option under the File menu. This will allow you to preview how the document will appear when printed and confirm that the watermark is not present. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.